Hello, in this video, I will explain why Lebanese coffee is so different and special. To do so, we should start with a brief history of coffee. Back in the 16th century, when Turkish coffee was invented in Istanbul, Lebanon was a part of the Ottoman Empire, and it remained to be so for the next 400 years approximately, ending in 1918 by the end of the First World War. During this long period of time, Lebanon adapted the Turkish coffee culture, but the Lebanese cuisine introduced a twist through the blending method. The main idea behind the blending methods is to mix the medium roasted beans with the dark roasted beans, where the medium roasted beans they provide the fruity acidity and smooth complex flavor, while the dark roasted beans they provided the dense texture and full-bodied strong taste.